Celia puts these cards in a bag. The bags have markings or letters A or O written on them. And she picks 2 cards at random. We need to choose the same as pick the first one. You don't replace the first picking, then you pick another one. So we start. First pick, it could either be a letter A or letter O. So to get a letter A, that's 3 out of 7. Letter O, 4 out of 7. We are on the first branch. That means we picked A, therefore one of the A's should be taken away. So there will be only 2 A's left. So 2 over 6. And we still have O, 4 over 6. We'll revert to the original position. Now we are on letter O. So if we pick letter O, then one of the O's must also be taken away. So we now have 3 over 6 for the O's, and the A's will be 3 over 6. So to work out probability that exactly one letter A card is picked, one letter A card exactly. So that is AO and OA. So you need to work that out separately. 3 over 7 times 4 over 6 plus 4 over 7 times 3 over 6. And that gives you 24 over 42. Sometimes you may be asked to simplify the probability, but I just leave it as it is like that. Now the next example is not necessarily probability tree diagram without replacement, but it's just a thinking skills involving probability tree diagram. So let's look. Andrew's supposed to